fade, an effector from the petty wars that shell-shot love away. There's comfort in melancholy when there's no need to explain. It's just as natural as the weather in this moody sky today. And our possessive coupling, so much could not be expressed. So now I am returning to myself. These things that you and I have suppressed. I see something of myself in everyone. Just at this moment of the world, the snow gathers like bolts of flame. Watson on a moon, girl. You know it never has been easy. Whether you do or you do not reside, whether you travel the breadth of extremities or stick to some straight line. Here's a man and a woman sitting at a ride. They're either gonna thaw out or freeze. Listen, streams have been a good mood. The snow on the pine wood trees. A porous with travel fever. So glad to be on my own. Still somehow the slightest touch of a stranger can set up trembling in my bones. I know no one's gonna show me everything. We all come and go undone, each so deep and superficial. Between the pulses and the stars.
outside in the sun with the houseflies. I could concentrate in a place like this. In Indiana, can I borrow your bike for a while? I need to get some things off my mind. Think I'll tool around along the river till I'm lost. There's frozen oranges in the trees in Indiana, and crystal apples in the creeks in Indiana. Put the powder in a metal water bottle, going swimming there in a limestone quarry. It's Saturday, it's Saturday. There's frozen oranges in the trees in Indiana, and crystal apples in the creeks in Indiana, that's what I tell myself. Put it on a string and take it to a festival. I don't know. Maybe we should find a place where O'Hara died. Maybe we can get inside. Bet you anything he had some secrets. Bet you anything he kept them in the fridge. Maybe we should go to church or the hospital. Maybe we should stop and talk to the cops. It wouldn't be a bad idea for them to know my face. Frozen oranges in the trees in Indiana, and crystal